I'm Anna of All Trades, and today I'm going to take you through a video that is almost a year in the making. About a year ago, I decided that I wanted to make all of my own tools that I would need to be able to do green woodworking. That's chair making, spoon carving, bucket making, whatever may come my way. And while I still have a few items on my bucket list, I've made several of them, and it's an incredible joy to be able to use them to create awesome things out of trees that I've felled here on the farm. So the first of those projects was this project, actually, the draw knife. And this was the first tool that I made, and man, it worked out sick. It's not the prettiest tool in the shed, but I put some cocoa bolo handles on it, put some copper little ferrules on it, and hey, it's sharp as a knife, and it works fantastically well. I've since made several other draw knives, but this one has a really special spot in my heart because, yeah, it was the first tool that I made. The next tool that I made was a spoon carving axe, and that axe comes in handy all the time. When I'm building furniture, if I have a bunch of material I need to remove down to the line, I'll actually use that axe to chop down to the line. Because of its short handle, it's extremely precise and easy to use. Not to mention the fact that it's often the sharpest tool that I have around. After I felled the first tree on the farm, it became increasingly apparent that I needed to make myself some splitting wedges. And so you'll see quite a bit of footage in this video of me making and then using the splitting wedge, which is such a phenomenally cool tool. It's amazing to me that just with a few wedges and a sledgehammer, my small frame can completely split apart an entire tree and turn it into usable lumber. So if you're more interested in the forging side of things, check out some of my other videos. I have a video about making spoon knives, a video about spoon carving in and of itself, a video about the making of this shave horse, a video about how to start your own blacksmithing shop on a budget, and if you're interested in the chair making process, incidentally, I also have a video on that. The next project in the series was actually building this shave horse. This shave horse is a fantastic tool both for chair making and for spoon carving because it allows you to quickly clamp the material that may or may not be odd shapes, odd lengths, and then get it fastened so that you can use razor sharp tools safely. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, for supporting my channel. If you enjoy the content that I've been creating here, I would love it if you would support me on Patreon as well. The link for that is below. Cheers.